Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be doing something very spring-like, very pastel. I wanted to match my nails. They're very appropriate for spring, lilac. I really do like this color of nails, especially around this time of year. So I'm using the finger paint. This is called Pastel Vibes, and I just love these kind of colors. They are so beautiful. So decided to recreate something similar to this on my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. It matches my nails, so why not match my eyes as well? So as you can see, I already did my foundation, I did my eyebrows, I primed my lids, and I set them. So let's just move on to the eyes. So I'm going to be starting off with this beautiful lilac color right here. This is called Libra. And I'm just going to grab a fluffy brush. This is a Profusion brush that came with one of the palettes. So I'm just going to grab that and add it all over the eye. I'm just going to start on the outer corner and move up in the crease and take it all the way in. And I just really love how beautiful the colors are, how pigmented they are, and just the way they blend is just so beautiful. Now I'm going to grab this one right here just to make the outer corner just a little bit darker. This is called Hot Mess. And with another fluffy clean brush, I'm just going to grab a little bit of that and slowly add the color on the corner. I'm not going to be adding too much of this. I just want a little bit to make this outer corner just a little bit dark. I still want that pastel purple to be the star of today's show. And then on the lid, I'm going to be using this one right here. This is such a beautiful glittery, shimmery lilac color. Here it is. If you guys can see that, it's very soft, so pretty, but I really want this to stand out, so I am going to add concealer to kind of cut the crease a little bit, not too much. And I'm using the Maybeline concealer, as I always do. I love this concealer for everything. And I'm first going to apply this with my finger. That is so beautiful right there. And I'm going to wet this very tiny brush right here just to get right on the outer corner. And I really want to use this one right here. This is such a beautiful purple as well. This is called Ultraviolet. And I am going to grab that just a little bit and add it on the outer corner where the matte and the shimmer meet. I'm gonna grab a brush and just blend those colors together. I feel like I need more glitter, you guys, and I'm using the Tati Blendable just so I don't get any fallout on my face. But I do feel like I need more than that shimmer. I mean, it's pretty now, but it, you know, just want to make it a little bit extra. I'm just adding more of the first shade that we added just to blend everything together. That's Nyla. I have the Milani Hypnotic Lights. These are so beautiful. Look at this right here. I'm gonna show it to you guys. How beautiful is that? Can you focus, please? There it is. No, right there. So beautiful. And oh my gosh, you can't even see it on camera how beautiful it truly is. But I think I'm just gonna add this on the lid just to have something extra, because why not, right? And then with my finger, just gonna tap it. That is so pretty. And I think it's starting to match my nails a little bit better. Okay, let's add more of that lilac on the crease. The other eye is done. I did add concealer to the bottom to clean up a little bit. And I want to use this beautiful purple eyeliner. This is by LA Girl. Is that what it's called? Yeah, LA Girl, and this is called Vivid. It's such a beautiful, soft, beautiful purple. And I'm gonna add it. I'm not gonna do a wing liner because I don't think wing liners do anything for me. I don't think it looks good on me. But I am gonna add just a little bit on here. So let's get to that. Just a full-blown purple look today, which my last video was also a very purple pink look. But what can I say? I like this kind of videos. I like these kind of makeup looks, so here we are. So now I'm going back with this color right here, and I'm using a very flat brush like so, and I'm just gonna put that under the lower lash. I'm gonna grab Hot Mess and just add it on the outer corner right here. And slowly just bring it down a little bit. I'm not taking it all the way in, I'm just mainly focusing on this corner right here. And now I'm grabbing a brush, the fluffy brush, and kind of diffusing those colors out just a little bit. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter. This is in the color Peach Lights, and it just goes perfect with this look. I feel like this, I never use this as a highlighter. I always use it as a inner corner highlight when I'm doing especially these colors, because it's very like, it has like an iridescent shift, like purples and pinks going on, so I think it's perfect for this look. So let's just go ahead and add it. I'm gonna add mascara, and then I'm gonna use these eyelashes right here, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It's amazing what a pair of eyelashes will do for your look. It just brings everything together. It makes it look so much better. So here we are. I'm very pleased with it. I mean, it matches my nails, and that's what I was going for. And it matches the palette. So there we go. And by the way, the Milani eye topper, this is in the color Beaming Light. Beautiful eye topper. And I also have the Prismatic Light. This is another beautiful blue purplish eye topper right here. So beautiful. Also, you guys, I think okay, on a separate video I was so excited about these eyeliners right here. As it turns out, it's only 2 eyeliners, and the other ones are lip liners, which I had no idea until now. And another thing, I think this is just like, once you use it, it's like gone. You can't sharpen it. So it's only, this is new. I have not used this one. So it's only this little tip right here. Once that's gone, there's no more. There's nothing there. You can't sharpen it. You can't twist it up for it to come out more. I thought you could, and there's nothing there. So the container is plastic, so it's not like you can sharpen it. So that's a little bit disappointing. LA girl, you got me. You really did, because it's only just like that's it. There's a little bit of product, and that's there. So you fooled me. So there you go. They were $3 and some change, but I wouldn't buy these at all again. I mean, they're pretty, they're very soft, but I just don't like that you can't use any more. Like that, I used it all today basically. So this is what I have left. Used it all today, and there's really nothing I can do. I can't sharpen it, like I said. So oh well. Alright, as always, I will post all the information, all the products that I use on the description box. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye! Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to try to and I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. Oh, I cannot say that name. Hi guys. No. And for the inner corner highlight, I have the perfect highlighter. This is by Revolution Makeup. And for the inner corner, So once that's gone, kids. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It's guys, so on today's video, I wanted to do something. What do I want to do? I don't know.